Hi, this is 𝐿𝐻𝐿 from 𝐕𝐀𝐆𝐀𝐄. Today I want to share you the recipe of adobo chicken that teaching by my friends, Filipino. So stay tuned. So I will let you know how to make it. One is bay leaf, and then black pepper, chili, onion, garlic, and potato, and the chicken which already washed. We have apple cider, vinegar, and soy sauce, and olive oil. Marinate and put the garlic and the onion inside. Put the bay leaf. Okay. Oh, just few leaf only, huh? Let's see. Oh, smell good. Now is the black pepper. Next one is vinegar. Continue by soy sauce. And marinate for 1 hour. After we cut the onions and garlic and chili, it's no spicy at all, and the potato. So we wait for the chicken to be ready. Onion. Ooh, very fast. Should I put this one? Okay. Okay, that's all right. Okay, thank you. It's the time to put everything inside. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. 1 teaspoon of the sugar. So the next is the potato and the chili. Okay. And stir a little bit. Then we wait for 5 minutes. Also half spoon. Last one is put in the water and wait for 1 hour to get the adobo chicken ready. Dun 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 dun! That's my adobo chicken. Thank you so much, 𝐿𝐻𝐿. Even you don't show up in my video, you are shy. The adobo chicken is really delicious. I very enjoy these adobo chickens. I don't think I able to teach you some very difficult dishes. So this cooked by my friend, actually. I hope you like it. And it's very delicious. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. If you like my video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.